Parking at Luxembourg Airport is a convenient and contactless experience. You can find all official parking offers on our online platform airportparking.lu. When booking a parking space online, you'll receive an email with a QR code to enter the car park. You can store your ticket on your smartphone or print it out. When you arrive at the airport, drive to the car park you have booked and use the QR code to enter. Don't press for a ticket, just hold your smartphone or print out in front of the gate entry scanner. You'll automatically receive a paper ticket in return. Please keep this ticket safe, as you'll need it to exit the car park when you leave. Now you can park your car and enjoy your journey. When you arrive back at Luxembourg Airport, return to your car and drive straight to the exit of the car park. Use the paper ticket you received upon arrival to open the barrier. We look forward to seeing you again. Lux Airport, my journey starts here.